Hi guys, welcome back to the garage at night. This time, of course, I have the overhead lights on, but I still have my candles going, and of course, I have my incense. Tonight, I'm burning some lovely violet incense, and it smells delicious. I love it. Okay, so first, I have, I got two things I got to tell you before I actually start with my unboxing. Whoop, whoop. Okay, so the first thing is, in a couple of my videos, I talked about Simon and some other people doing like 78 Degrees, the book by Rachel Pollack. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Completely wrong. I totally blew it on that one. Okay, so what they're doing, and I'm just now getting into 4 days later, so I have some catching up to do. Help me. They're doing Around the Tarot in 78 days. That's the study program that they're doing. Around the Tarot in 78 days. So jump on the bandwagon. I don't know if we've got a conversation going about this somewhere or if it's just something folks are doing. Simon, Jen, my soul sister Jen, Willowin, the Thrifty Witch, you two let me know, because you two is where I heard about it from. So tell us, what are y'all doing? So that's one. Number two. Okay, number two I want to talk about is Facebook. Now, I'm only on Facebook, usually for theater, my theater friends, and letting them know when I'm going to shows or promoting their shows, kind of deal. And I do come on to pop into the group for Love of Cards. Obviously, that is the place to be if you are on Facebook, for Love of Cards, the group. So I've noticed lately with my viewing that I've received quite a few Facebook friend requests. Now, I know this is going to get me in a lot of trouble with people, but you know what? It's my Facebook, and this is how I do it, okay? If I don't know you, I will not accept your friend request, because I do not want a bunch of people on my Facebook who I'm not interacting with regularly, and that who I don't feel I want to know on a personal level. Because my Facebook is personal. It's a way I can keep in touch with my friends who are overseas, and find out what's going on in their lives and be a part of their lives, and talk to them on there. So, like it or not, if I don't know you, please don't be offended if I don't accept your friend request. Also, if I do know you, but I don't know your Facebook name from your channel page, please send me a message and let me know, hey, da-da-da. And yeah, then you'll get your confirmation. But I am very selective with the people I become friends with, because I don't want to do what a lot of individuals end up doing, which is have 2,000 or more friends on Facebook, and the majority of them you don't even interact with, you know. Facebook is my personal page to connect with my personal friends, people I know, feel connected to, close to. Okay? So there you go. That's it for Facebook. So now I'm going to get on to the coup de grace of this evening, which is my unboxing. Look what I managed to finally score. I got it, folks. I got the Ghost Tarot by David Corsi. David Corsi, still in plastic. And I got it for a terrific price. So I'm very, very excited. Very, very excited. Now if I can get myself in here, get the plastic off, I have a little look-see, huh? Okay. Los Scarabeo, usual tuck box. You know, Los Scarabeo tuck box. We'll figure out, okay, cards are celloed with the little white book. I like that. I like it when the little white book is celloed with the cards. Oh yeah, and I just happened to be thinking about this today as I was thinking about doing the unboxing. You know, my friend Dee Dee has Ripper. I don't have a Ripper. I'm not a Ripper kind of girl, but I have Pinky. Is that good, Pinky? So, I have Pinky now. All right, so here is the little white book. Let me see. Little white book. Does the little white book tell me anything? So English. Ooh. English goes to page. It's Los Scarabaeos, so you know it's all in different languages. Page 16. And ooh. All right, they changed some of the names, so we have the chalices, pentacles, okay. Oh no, it's still the same, swords. Yep, okay, still the same names and stuff. No spreads. Yeah, just the usual little, you know, just like a little paragraph about each card. And it's even less for the minors, so about a sentence or so. Okay, we have the lovely Terrasophy art card. Ooh, look at the backs on these cards. Oh, I do love that. Okay. Oh, here's the... Alright, so here's the art card. Are we ready? Alright. Now, there is, there's no writing on these. So this is the Fool and the Magician. Ooh. Empress. Is that the Empress or is that the High Priestess? That's the High Priestess. This is the Empress. I love these. Look at these. The Emperor. Wow. The Hierophant. Ooh. Okay, so this is the Lovers, and this is what's on the front of the box. Chariot, Ghost Horses. Oh my god, this deck is already giving me goosebumps, you guys. Oh, look. Oh my god, I've got goosebumps. Look at the lion. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. My card. The Hermit. Wow, wow, wow. The Wheel. Justice. Wow. The Hanged Man. Oh, I'm so loving these. Absolutely loving these. Death. And this is what is on the back of the box, is it? No, maybe it's not. Nope, different card. I thought it was Death. Temperance. Is that Temperance or... Yeah. Wow, the Devil. Oh my god, these cards. Oh, wow. Tower. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy, I'm going to be working these cards hard. And look at that moon. Oh my God. I am going to be working these cards hard. Wow. I feel I could use these cards literally anytime. Anytime. This is not just a Halloween deck. Nope. Okay, so here is the Ace of Chalices, because I see a chalice at the bottom here. So, 2, 3, look at that. Look at that. The ghost is actually standing there with another thing. Oh. Wow. Oh. Look at that. Oh, my heart. Be still, my heart. Seriously, seriously. Oh, this is the best. This is one of the best decks I've ever bought already, and I haven't even used it yet. But I am just head to toe with goosebumps. And no, it's not the cold. It's not that cold out here. Well, it's cool, but, I mean, it's not like freezing cold. Wow. Here we go. So, I think this is the Knave of Chalices. Or the Page of Chalices. Okay, now I know they changed the court cards. So, I'm going to look in the book here real quick. Because they called the court cards a different name from the actual suit. Okay. Chalices, Okay, so this is the Knave, and it's called Spirit of the Dreamer. That's what's on the back of the box, is the Knave of Chalices. So Lovers on the front, Knave of Chalices on the back. Then we have the Knight, which is the Spirit Seducer. Ooh. Wow. Queen, Spirit of the Mystic. Loving it. Spirit of the Healer. Wow. That's awesome. All right, so now we're moving on to Pentacles. So here's the Ace. 2, 3, 4. Simon. Look at that 5 of Pentacles. Wow. 6. These cards are just freaking blowing me away. I am so glad I got these. So glad I got these. These were one of my last purchases for 2017. So this is the Knave of Pentacles, which is the Spirit of the Inventor. And then we have the Knight, which is Spirit of the Traveler. Queen, Spirit of the Muse. And the King, Spirit of the Leader. Cool. All right, now we're into swords. So, Ace, 2. Wow. Holy shitsky bitsky. Will you friggin' look at that? Okay, that's amazing. That's amazing because, you know, I work on ships. So it's all I can do not to scream. I mean, seriously. Oh. These are unbelievably, incredibly beautiful, vibrant. They're kind of smallish cards. I don't know. I guess they're the same size as a regular tarot deck. For some reason, they feel smaller. Wow. Ooh. Okay, so now we have swords. So this is the Knave, which is Spirit of the Researcher. Knight, Spirit of the Warrior. Queen, Spirit of the Critic. And the King, Spirit of the Teacher. That is so cool. Oh, wait a minute. That was Wands. Jeez. Skipped a whole chapter. Son of a biscuit. That was Wands. Wands, Wands, Wands. Okay, I got all the names right. So, the names were right. They're not wrong. I just looked at the wrong page. Okay, last suit. So, swords. I thought something was funny when I looked at the Two of Swords, and I was like, it doesn't quite. Oh. Look. Ooh. I wonder what the Nightmare card's going to be. Hmm? 6, 7. Wow, that's a little creepy. Oh yeah, that's a good card. Yep. I think he's looking at himself. Wow. Okay, and so for swords we have oh, wait a minute. What the heck did I do? This is supposed to be Spirit of the Researcher, Spirit of the Warrior, Spirit of the Critic, and Spirit of the Teacher. That's right. So, there you guys go. A look through at my Ghost Tarot by David Corsi. Wow. I'm telling you what, this looks so good. It gave me goosebumps. I would use this deck year-round. It's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. I didn't even think about the cardstock. The cardstock's really good, too. It's got just the right amount of bend in it, and it doesn't have huge freaking borders. So, yeah. This is going to be a great, great deck. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Much love, and I'll see you next time.